Hello my friends, welcome back to my e-estate video. Some people have been asking this question for a very long time and they keep asking this question every single day. Is e-estate reliable? People want a consistent and reliable platform before they will make decision to join, right? So this question, I'm going to answer this question directly. Is e-estate reliable? The answer is yes. Capital yes. E-estate is reliable. And I'm not just going to sit here and tell you that e-estate is reliable without a proof. So I want to show you one single proof that will convince you that e-estate is reliable. So now, this is the history of my withdrawal from e-estate. Okay, let me scroll to the bottom, right to the bottom, and show you my very first withdrawal. This was my very first withdrawal. I used this to test if the withdrawal process was working back in August 2025. This withdrawal was made at 9:52 on the 23rd of August 2025, and it was made using Theta BEP20 withdrawal address. Okay, and right here you will see the reference number to say it has been completed. Now take a look at that date. Okay, just 23rd, and then let me give you the confirmation of this withdrawal. Let me go to my email. Okay, so I go to my email, and this is my email. Okay, check out the dates there. What does it say? 23rd of August 2025, 15:53. And what does it say here? Withdrawal confirmation, funds successfully sent from e-estate. Your withdrawal from e-estate has been processed, and then that is the amount there, and that is my wallet address. Okay, this is a public wallet address. You can go and check and deposit more money into the address if you want. All right, okay, so this was my first withdrawal. Okay, remember last year August. Okay, my first withdrawal. Now let me go back to my e-estate account again and scroll to the top and show you my latest withdrawal. This was done on the 13th of July 2026. Okay, and how much was that? 1,696. Excellent. And it was withdrawn into Theta TRC20 address, and that is the confirmation reference number. Okay, now let's confirm this through my email as well. So I'm going to go back to my email and then look for today's date, 13th of July 2054, 6 minutes to 9 p.m. Right now, what does it say here? Withdrawal confirmation, funds successfully sent from your e-wallet. And then further down here, it gives you more details. Your withdrawal from e-estate has been processed, and it tells you how much, and it tells you the destination. As I said before, this is open wallet address, guys. Anybody can go and deposit money for me there if you want. Okay, some people do hide their wallet address, but it's just a public one. Nobody can do anything with it. They can't hack your account with this. They can't do nothing. They can only check the activities that is going through that wallet, which is okay. So this is the only proof you need, because I know, look at all the withdrawals that has been going on since that day that I made my first withdrawal. Yeah, look at all the withdrawals. So what other concrete evidence do you need to see and for you to agree with me that e-estate is reliable? Nothing else. Because I know that if you are in this space, what you are looking for is a platform that you can deposit money, the money will arrive, and then you will use the money to purchase the property or do whatever you wish to do in that platform, and then receive your daily profit When you receive your daily profit, you click the button to withdraw, you are able to withdraw your profit. That platform is reliable. Simple. And this has been going on for more than 1 year. Okay. I joined eEstate in July last year, but I made my first withdrawal in August. And you are watching this video from July 2026. So what does that tell you? eEstate is reliable. So therefore, if you would like to join eEstate, the link to do so is below this video description. If you wish to be receiving passive income the way I am receiving, the way all my team members are continuing to receive their income from eEstate, you don't need anybody else to tell you that this platform is reliable. Just use the link below this video description to sign up, deposit money, and purchase your fractional real estate and begin to earn daily, Mondays to Fridays. Okay, and then you can withdraw any day. That's it. Very reliable. Thank you, and God bless.